Make sure the flash is off. You taking a video? Oh my god. July and it's raining. This is July 15th, 2010.
Can you see all that water? It like curves. Oh my gosh, that's a bunch.
What? Well, obviously it has to go down the drain.
No, really?
Yeah.
Oh
wow. Can you hear it?
All of the dogs are up here.
You can't hear anything.
Susie, what's wrong? Look at she's all happy. Oh my god.
Let's go dance in the rain.
Let's go.
No.
Aww.
There's thunder. If there was no thunder, I would still go.
We don't have.
Oh my gosh, it's a whole bunch of
There's
water.
a bunch.
Open the thing. It's starting to rain harder. No, don't open it.
Damn, there's a lot of water.
Ah, it's hot though.
It looks like somebody. The water looks white. It looks like somebody's washing their car or something.
Yeah, somebody's washing a car right now when it's raining.
Yeah. Well, what?
Oh my god.
Oh god!
Did you hear that? Oh my god.
Hi, Susie.
It's weirder being here.
Oh, it's a better view from over here. Oh my gosh.
Shut up, shut up. You can't hear anything?
Look at it.
Hear the rain. Look, hear the rain.
It's so warm. I want to see if I get some thunder.
You didn't hear anything? Oh my gosh, that was so loud. Here, look, wait.
Film it from here, from here. Lisa, from right here.
No, I already tried that.
No, close it. It's getting wet.
Oh
my gosh, there's so much water that it just slides through.
Damn!
It's gonna be hard for you. Man.
Damn, that's a lot of water. Like, seriously, that's a really lot of water.
Oh my gosh. Let's go back outside.
Oh, Susie. Get off the couch.
Look it over here. By the car. Can you see it? The car. The water. By the tire. Imagine someone builds a dam right here. And the water gets this. Okay.